What's up, everybody? The next skill we're going to talk about is markup, and it's how much a retailer increases the price over what they paid for it, which is usually how they make money in hopes of making a profit. So it can be shown as an amount or as in a percent, right, of the price the retailer paid. So let's look at an example. Right, a store pays $841.08, right, for a television and marks the price up by 50%. What is the new price? Right, so we've got the amount that the store paid for it, $841.08, and then we need to add to this amount, right, 50%, right, of $841.08. Right, so that means we need to find percent of a number here. Right, we need to find 50% of $841.08, right, and then add it to $841.08. So to find percent of a number, all we need to do is take the decimal and take the percent and change it to a decimal. And how do we do that? Well, we move the decimal 2 jumps to the left. So 50% is the same thing as, right, 0.5. And so now we need to find, right, the product of 0.5 times $841.08. So go to our calculators, right, and then we just say 0.5 times $841.08, and that equals $420.54. All right, so we're going to take that amount that we just found, 50% of $841.08, all right, and add it to the price that the company paid, all right, $841.08. So $841.08 plus $420.54 equals, well, now we'll just go back to our calculators, add these up, 841 equals, all right, so the sum of those two numbers is $1,261.62, and that is how you find markup.